Talk about how to use a vacation rental property as a financial planning tool. One of our sellers just sold this place. They bought it in, what was it, December of 2020 for $685,000, and we sold it last week for $1,130,000. That's an up. That's an up. And here's the cool thing about it is these properties are so great when they're used properly. Okay, as financial planning tools, because what happened to these folks, they needed to get this thing sold and move out. They planned on staying here a lot longer, but they ended up having to move. And it was super cool that they got out, and they got out with such a great return. If you want to learn more about how to use vacation rentals as a financial planning tool, a hedge against future, I don't know, college for your kids, your retirement, your parents, maybe elder care, your elder care, these vacation rental investment properties can be terrific hedges. Send me an email at info@smartbeachinvestor.com if you want to talk about how you can get in on this.
How you like that?